Okay, so I'm doing this new shift boot and shifter on the Acura TO. You can see the boot here. Take all the screws out of the center and it slides back. And this just pops right out. A couple plugs. And if you look at the factory shift boot, it's in there with a zip tie. That's factory. So I could take that zip tie off and put my own little gizmo that would lock on right under my boot, or I can go get a new boot and staple it on the original stuff. So I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do. I kind of want to just use this boot and put my own short shifter get up on it. What do you guys think? I'll do another video when I finish it.